ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of web development? In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you from a complete beginner to a proficient web developer, covering everything you need to know along the way. Before we dive in, let's discuss the essential tools and technologies you'll need to learn as a web developer. As a beginner, it's important to familiarize yourself with the fundamental tools and technologies of web development. Before we dive in, let's discuss the essential tools and technologies you'll need to learn as a web developer. First, you'll need to learn HTML, the backbone of every web page. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is used to structure the content of a web page. Next, dive into CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, which allows you to style and design your web pages, making them visually appealing. Finally, master JavaScript, the language of interactivity. With JavaScript, you can add dynamic elements and functionality to your web pages. To practice your skills, you'll need a coding environment like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text. These tools provide a user-friendly interface for writing and editing your code. Additionally, take advantage of online resources such as Codecademy, Free Codecamp, and W3 Schools, which offer interactive tutorials and exercises to help you learn and practice. Now that you're familiar with the tools and technologies, it's time to put your knowledge into action and build your first website. Start by creating a simple web page using HTML to structure the content. Then use CSS to style your web page, choosing colors, fonts, and layouts to make it visually appealing. Finally, add interactivity to your web page using JavaScript, such as buttons, animations, or form validation. Once your website is ready, it's time to share it with the world. There are several platforms available for deploying your website, depending on your needs and preferences. For simple static websites, platforms like GitHub Pages or Netlify offer free and easy hosting solutions. If your website requires server-side processing or database integration, consider platforms like Heroku or Amazon Web Services, AWS, for more advanced deployment options. And there you have it. By following this guide and mastering the essential tools and technologies of web development, you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient web developer. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep building, experimenting, and learning, and before you know it, you'll be creating incredible web experiences. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and guides.